Hello everyone. In this demo, I'll walk you through setting up Databricks Repos connected to GitHub and show how this integration can supercharge your development workflow. As a prerequisite, a GitHub account will be required for this demo. Alright, we'll start by linking our GitHub repo to a Databricks repo. This can be done by navigating to the Settings, Linked Accounts, and clicking Add Git Credentials. From there, you'll have two methods to authenticate. For now, let's link the account without a PAT token to show how this works. Give the Git credential a name and click Link. When the link success notification appears, click Configure in GitHub to continue the setup from GitHub. Install the GitHub Databricks Add-In when prompted. It's an integration that connects Databricks to GitHub, enabling seamless version control, branching, committing, and pull request workflows directly within the Databricks workspace for efficient collaborative development. Next, navigate to your GitHub repos and create a new repo by giving it a name and description. Also, toggle Add README to On. Enabling Add README to On is important because it initializes the GitHub repo with a README file, which ensures that the repo is not empty, making it easier to clone, manage, and collaborate on your Databricks projects from the start. So go ahead and click Create Repo. Next, navigate back to Databricks Workspace and click Workspace. Create the Git folder, paste in your Git repo URL, and create the Git URL folder. You can add files, notebooks, and more to this repo, which can then be synced to GitHub. By clicking on Main, you can change the branch and create a feature branch for development. Click Create a Branch, give it a name, and click Create. This will create the Dev feature branch, which will be based off of the main branch. So after you've created the branch, you can add files, notebooks, and other Databricks assets to the Dev branch that you want to merge to prod. Next, you'll have to click the Dev branch, add a commit comment, and then click Commit and Push. This will push the updates to GitHub. Once you navigate back to GitHub and open the Compare and Pull request, add a title and create a pull request. Great. Next, let's merge the pull request into the prod branch and delete the feature branch from Dev. As a best practice, it's always a good idea to add comments for documentation purposes, even if they're optional. So there you have it. That wraps up the entire process of creating assets in development and merging it to prod. Awesome. So now you'll see that you have all your Databricks assets in your prod GitHub repo. So why is this workflow so beneficial? First, version control lets you track every change with detailed history, making it easy to roll back if needed. Collaboration across teams is seamless, since Git handles merging and conflict resolution. Code reviews become simple and transparent, ensuring high-quality code. And with this structure in place, integrating with automated CI/CD pipelines for testing and deployment is straightforward. Plus, these workflows bring auditability and compliance for teams that need to document their development process. So to sum it up, connecting Databricks repos with GitHub gives your team powerful tools to improve code quality, encourage collaboration, and support reliable deployments. I hope this demo helps you set up and make the most of these features in your own projects. Thanks for watching.